Hey everyone, it's Veronica, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create global pages for your course using Slide Master layers. So I'm going to go to my course. I've got a demo here with 4 slides in it, and I've made them all quite different just so we can tell the difference. And so what I'd like to do, I would like my course to have like a navigation bar at the top here where it's got a few buttons to go to places like a help page, a resources page, and an about page. And I would like that to be accessible from all of the slides in my course. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Slide Master. So if you go up to View and click Slide Master there, you can see that we've got the default Slide Master style there. So what I like to do in the Slide Master itself, so this is the Slide Master, and these ones underneath are all layouts for that Slide Master. So anything that I put on this master slide will apply to all of the layouts, and that's what I want to do today. And you can check out Matt's video from before about how to do that as well. So what I want to do is I want to have a bar at the top, so I'll create a bar, and I'm just going to make it match my course. I'm just going to have it like that, no outline. And I want to have a few buttons up there. We can't see it very well, obviously, because it's white against white, but you'll catch my drift in a moment. And I'm going to insert, I'll just insert 3 buttons. So I'm just going to insert, might be a little bit too big. Anyway, style doesn't matter too much right now. And another one there. So I've got my 3 buttons. I'm going to make this one the About button. Now the font is in there is white, which doesn't work for these buttons, so I'm going to change it to black, and I think that font will be okay. I'm going to make this one a resources, and I'm going to make this one, what else did I say, help. Okay, so I might now, I think I want that font to be a little bit smaller. There we go. I think that's a bit better. And I might, that's okay. And I'm going to add an icon to the button. So for about, I might do maybe a question mark. Doesn't matter too much. You can choose the icon that you like, and that's black. That's the right color. And I think I would like to change the icon to go to the other side. There we go. So what I'll do now is I'll format paint, double click format paint my other 2 buttons, and then all I need to do is just change the icon, and I'll do that very quickly. I'm not going to select too much. I might do an I for help, and for resources maybe I'll do a little book. There we go. So I've got my bar up there. Now what I want to happen is when the user clicks on each of these buttons, I want them to go to the About page and the Resource page and the Help page. So what I could do is I could create slides somewhere in the course for those pages to live in. But I don't want to do that. I want it all to live here in the master slide. So I'm going to create layers. So I'm going to call this one Help. And I'll go with the Help one here now. So basically, I'm going to create a very basic resources page, but I'll make it in color so that we can tell that it's there. So let's just say that that's where my resources, help content is going to live. And then I am going to create a button right here that will have a close symbol on it. I'll use that one. Black. There we go. So that's going to be a trigger or a button that will trigger the layer to hide. So we're going to hide this layer when the user clicks that button. And again, this is where my help content is going to live. So there we go. Well, you can add animations and anything like that that you want to make your page look and appear nicely, but for now we'll just do this quickly. I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to create my resources page here. I'm going to say resources, content, and just so that we can differentiate that, I might just turn that into a green, a very bright green, and I'll do that once again, and I'll do about, and this will be my about content, and we'll change that to yellow. So now that I've got my layers on my master slide, go back there, there we go. So whenever the user clicks help, I want them to show the layer help. And when the user clicks resources, I want the button to show the layer resources. And when they click about, I want the button to show the layer about. There we go. So we're going to go back to our course. I'm going to close master view, and as you can see, every one of my slides now has that top bar with my buttons, and we're going to preview and see how that works. Preview. Here we go. So you can see that I've got all of my slides there, and anywhere that I am, I can see my resources, my help, my about. If I go to the first slide, same thing, I can see it all there. So I hope that helps. That's how you can create global pages using your layers in your master slide. Thanks for watching. Bye.